Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, so we are going to update the monthly positional strategy, weekly positional as well as intraday. And this is what which we are looking for an intraday sheet as well as weekly sheet. So already we came to the closing of this March contract. So only few trading sessions which is available on next week, almost three sessions only. So most probably our positional trade also came to end of this uh, last Friday. So let me check what is the result. And if you are going to take a trade on next week, so you will be paying to high margin. This is what a physical delivery. So lack of liquidity also in many of these options. So we are planning with our advanced option strategy course mainly for a stock option. So our plan is to find out 2 to 3 trade opportunities in a monthly basis, or in a weekly also we are planning to 2 to 3 trades. Monthly maybe 3 to 4 trades is good enough. So in this month, in this tower, it is not a liquid yet, and we find out an opportunity like Maruti and something like Bharati Airtel. So these are all the options which given you such a good result, and Tata Chemical, which is given you in the first week itself. That is one more good opportunity which we find out in Maruti, and that was working good. So it is based on the concept which we are using for an option strategy. Okay, that we are discussing with our Google Sheet. It's a tool to find out the trade opportunities in the first two. And the third one, intraday sheet, it works based on the Camarilla R4. So hope you've seen yesterday we have a lot of opportunities. So by using an intraday sheet, so I tell you in each and every video, so only we try to find out a fresh breakout opportunity and liquid stocks. So the liquid stocks means that is a good volume and less bid ask price gap. So some of the options, if you have seen, there is a bid price and the ask price, you will be seen there is a huge gap between the bid and ask price. So if you find any big gap between bid price and the ask price, simply ignore it, because we can't easily enter to that particular options as our desired price, and also exit also may be a problem. So that is the reason we are not following the liquid illiquid stocks. So if you want to find out a liquid or illiquid stocks, there is a list also available, so you can use it from our like what we say, the website which is available. So the details of liquid or illiquid stocks. So let me come to the monthly options. So this month in a put side, we have a lot of stocks with the 3 days back, and most of the stock achieved, I think 20 plus stocks in a put side achieved the target. So recent recovery, so it just came down. No problem. After achieving our target, we don't worried about it. Let me check some of the stocks like NMDC. What is happening to 226.75? So the strike price is not looks good, 226.75. That is available. And how much high it is looking at 31. Now it is 21. But our entry bond on this particular option 21.7. Okay, 21.7 may be triggered at this point. So that is the reason maybe here it is in a gap. So it doesn't trigger our entry point. So it is due to gap up. So why we are ignoring those stock which is not provide our entry point. So here it is went up to maximum 30, maybe nearby our target, and liquidity issue. Okay, simply avoid that. But if you are looking at a round number, the same stock NMDC 225 put option may be having some, sorry, NMDC 225 put option. What's happening here? Here you can see there is a liquidity from 7 rupees, it went up to 34. So you know well our concept. So you can utilize, because the sheet we are based on our calculations, and we are selecting the strike price. Okay, so you, if you find any the strike price is like not a round number, so you can go to check that particular stock the round number. Okay, this is what may be a targeted trade and TCS 4100. So let me go for TCS 4100 put option. After this high, we can see it is 237, now it is 185. So most of the options which moved more, and then finally it came down. So 194 to almost 236. Still it is an on the same price, but we are looking for an opportunity many stock which triggers in this week. So let me check Concur Container Corporation is the right opportunity which we find out in the beginning of the month, and the second one is LIC Housing Finance and L&T Finance Holding. These are all the options which given you the put side entry. In a call say like Tata Chemical is the first entry, and Kotak Bank also. Let me check 1690 on Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank 1690 call option. You can look at here, it is made high 99, now it is trading 93, and previously it moves towards 93, again it came down and then it returned back. So whereas our entry bond on Kotak Bank 91, still it is on the same price. From that point 93 it came down. So when our 91 which is triggers, maybe that can be triggered your stop loss, because you've seen there is a many positions which is giving you the downside this month. Call side we don't find a lot of entries, but put side we find a huge number of entries, almost 23 stocks which is moving more than our expected target. So here call side few of them stocks like Tata Steel also achieved our target. Finally it is came down. So 141 on Tata Steel, 141. This is what our initial trade that was giving an opportunity, and it moves well and then returned back. Here you can see from 5 rupees it went up to 19 rupees. Our entry is 11. Okay, that is also achieved our target. After achieving the target, it came down. But this sheet acts as a scanner. At current market, what is happening? So when any stock which triggers your entry, if it has came to our stop loss, then it is a stop loss trade. But here it will be showing what are the stock which is satisfying our condition at this moment. So we find out a lot of opportunities, and the same concept which you are used on weekly. So like Bajaj Auto and Hero Motocorp, that was perfectly working. Maruti. So last week, and put side Sun TV, Lupin, Go for LTM entry. These are all the stocks. So weekly options are same as our monthly concept, which we are using for our positional trade. Okay, so that will works better, and intraday, you know very well, it is work based on the Cambrilla pivot level. So let me randomly check a investment bank 1480, invest bank 1480, and what is happening here is the breakout. So if you are looking at the good stock and volumeable stock and good liquidity in options, where we got a breakout at this point of 27, around 26.95. So that is what on our entry 26.95, and finally closed with 38. So near about 40%. Maybe we can keep a stop loss below 24, or even we can below pivot or S3. So it depends on your risk ability. Okay, it is a method. So we are using for an opportunity, and there we got an good opportunity. So now this is someone who asking me the past performance. Why I'm making this video, that will tell you what is happening on every week. That's why weekly once we are making this video. I hope you well the holidays. So we made this video for a reference purpose. Okay, so holiday, I think Monday last week, next week we are not more trading sessions, very less. So and also nearby expiry, so we are not going to focus. And you can see there is a holiday on March 25th March Monday is an holiday, and 29th March Monday is also be an holiday. So only 3 trading session will be there in our expiry week. So we already covered our positional strategies, positional trades if you have any taken in the beginning of the month. So we are not going to take a trade on next week, but the sheet will be updating for next week also. Only some brokers are allowing to take a trade in intraday. Maybe that have with the higher margin, you can also focus. This month, as per our concept, we have almost many stocks, but right now it is a 5 stocks, is a 7 stocks in a call side, almost 9 stocks in a put side, the mixed view. But initial many stocks in a put that was working well. Okay, intraday daily one. So now I'm going to update the sheet for next week, as well as intraday sheet is going to be updated, and monthly sheet it is always updating first of every month. Okay, so let me try to update, and once we update this sheet, and you will be getting the new data for next week. Okay, the strike price, entry price, everything would be changed. Okay, so it will not be same for last week or thing. So weekly is going to update, and monthly is going to update. Sorry, intraday is going to update. Monthly it will be not going to be change any, because it is going to change on every month, first of the month. So we have to find out some good liquid and quality stocks by using our concept, and that is what an advanced option strategy. We have a course, so that course we are teaching you how to take a positional, and this is the tool where we can utilize or use this tool as a very easy quick entry finding opportunities. So now that details are changed, and this is for a next Tuesday, where we are going to take a trade, that is 26th March. Okay, and whatever the stock which showing you 100% at this moment, these are all the not liquid yet, so you can go to check these stocks whether it is having liquid or not, and monthly position still remain same, and weekly it is also be changed and updated right now. So let next week we can track this and don't want to take a trade opportunities by using this because of expiry week. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.